Hey, this is Craig the Pool Man with Pool Specialist, and today what we're doing is we are abandoning an in-floor system. Some of the pipes leak, and we assume that, well, they're all eventually going to leak. We've got problems with the heads and everything else. So what's the easiest way to do it? And of course, as you can see, we had to drain the pool. And there's two size heads. One is the small heads, and the best thing to do is get yourself a 1-inch threaded plug, and then you drop it into it, and you can see that the sides will catch it so that it doesn't fall all the way down. Then you get yourself some of this 3M marine adhesive sealant, the Fast Cure. It's very, very, very important that you get the Fast Cure, because even the Fast Cure takes like 24 or 48 hours. It's crazy. And so Fast Cure 4200, and then you inject it into the receptacle. And I typically take my finger and kind of swirl it around so that it comes really tight with the sides. Cover everything, be generous with using this. And then what I'm going to do as a finishing is I'm going to mix up some of this PebbleTec, and I'm going to put it into this hole so that it matches the best that I can get it to match. So that's how we take care of the smaller holes. For the larger holes, I'm going to take a standard 1022 plug. I think everybody knows what those are for plugging returns. And I'm going to put it in here and just kind of tighten it up a little bit. And then I'm going to fill it with my underwater silicone. So as you can see, I have taken the marine adhesive sealant and I have sealed up on top of the 1022 plug, made sure that I have gotten it very tight on the edges, and we are now ready to go and put our PebbleTec finish into that hole to make it look as close to the pool surface as possible. And of course, this is the product that we use. Make sure you do get the Fast Cure. Fast Cure is going to make you laugh. It means it cures in 24 hours. Other than that, it cures in a lot longer. So I have links to all this stuff below. So you should be able to click on the link and be able to purchase the right products. All right, here we are with the final step. This is what I used to fill in the holes for the in-floor system to match the PebbleTec as close as I could. Of course, what I used was a extra drain cover, which had never been in the pool, and so it's actually a little bit different than the PebbleTec in the pool looks right now. But I matched up best I could and show you what the result looks like. So this is filled in, so you can see this is actually a lot bluer than around here. But needless to say, we did 20 little ones and 8 big ones. And it took every bit of this 10 pounds to do it. So if that puts it into perspective, 10 pounds really isn't a whole lot. But this is a great product. I'm very impressed with it. I highly recommend that if you are going to do some patchwork, that you look into this. And they have a video online which tells you exactly how to use it. And that's what I would do, is watch that video. That's what I did, exactly how to use it. So that's our finished project. We abandoned this in-floor system. They don't work real well in North Carolina anyway. And I hope that was helpful. If you found this educational, please give me a thumbs up and follow me. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.